Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting texture right. Use waxy potatoes for a creamy yet firm salad. Put 1 kg potatoes into cold, salted water with a bay leaf and bring to a simmer. This prevents mushy edges. While water heats, start 6 eggs for hard boiling and finely chop 1 small onion, 1/2 cup pimiento, and 1/3 cup green olives. Once the water simmers, lower heat to maintain a gentle boil so potatoes cook evenly without falling apart. Once potatoes are tender and eggs are cooled, drain and let them steam dry so excess moisture evaporates. This helps dressing stick. Meanwhile, whisk 1 cup mayonnaise with 1 tablespoon mustard, 1 tablespoon vinegar, 1 teaspoon dried oregano, and salt and pepper to taste. The vinegar brightens flavors and oregano adds classic Puerto Rican aromatics. Cut potatoes into bite-sized cubes and fold gently with chopped eggs, onions, pimiento, olives, and 1/4 cup chopped pickle. Once mixed, taste and adjust. Add a splash of vinegar for brightness, more salt for depth, or 1-2 tablespoon mayo for creaminess. Transfer to the fridge for 1-2 hours so flavors meld and the salad firms up. Chilling also helps slices hold shape. Before serving, garnish with paprika, extra pimiento strips, and olive slices. If your salad turns out watery, make sure to drain and gently pat potatoes dry. Then whisk in 2-3 tablespoons more mayonnaise to rescue texture and flavor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.